Hey guys, my name is Sarita and welcome to Curly Trades. In this channel we talk a lot about fashion, some latest stuff, latest trends in fashion, some hacks, lookbooks and all those things about clothes and fashion. So if you are interested in this content, do stick on and don't forget to subscribe to the channel also. So today's video is all about easy, comfortable outfits that you can wear at home. All days are not the same. Some days we feel so lazy to get up from bed and actually get dressed, and if you have to select what to wear, then that's the worst part. And for somebody like me who is working from home, I cannot sit around the house whole day in shabby clothes. So what I do is I go in for something casual, something more comfortable yet stylish that I can wear at home, and suddenly if I want to go out running an errand or something, I can just go out in that clothes, maybe just put on a jacket and just run out. I don't have to change into another clothes. So I usually go in for such clothes. So today in this video I'll show you what are my choices when I feel really lazy, don't feel like getting dressed up. What all do I wear to be comfortable and yet stylish at home? The first outfit that I usually gravitate towards is the tracksuit. Track pants or leggings, any one of these. That will be my first choice. Track pants are my whole day, everyday outfit. You can wear them the whole day and it's the most comfortable outfit to just laze around in the house. You can pair it with sneakers if you're going out running errands, or even style it up with heels if you're going out with your girlfriends, or even for work. Celebrities from all over the world are now seen wearing this outfit everywhere, and they style it in their own different ways. Joggers are technically warm pants that usually we wear when we are going out for jogging, and I normally wear joggers when it is a little cold outside, when the climate is a bit colder. Joggers are best for layering actually. If you want to suddenly if you are heading outside for some work, all you have to do is just throw on a denim jacket and you look all stylish and put together. So that is a very best option. Joggers is something I really prefer wearing at home. My next option would be palazzo pants. Palazzo pants are the supremely comfortable pants because of its loose cut. But what's important is how you style them. You can style them with your t-shirts, your tops, your kurtas. There are n number of ways. But I normally don't wear kurtas at home, so my option would be a top or a t-shirt. And that is what I like to wear when I'm at home. I'm not a big fan of skin fit jeans. I like loose fit, and I'm so happy that loose fit jeans are in fashion right now. These are my mom jeans and I'm wearing it with this checkered shirt. It looks and feels so comfortable, and you can wear it the whole day. And if you wear shorts, then that would also be a great option for you. And if suppose suddenly you're heading out somewhere, you just have to layer it with a jacket or a shrug or something, and there you have a great stylish look. And if you don't want to wear pants around the house the whole day, you can opt for some super comfortable dress, and you can pair it with sneakers if you have to leave the house for something. So guys, what do you think? I guess these are really great options. If you are lazing around the house the whole day, you can wear these. These are really comfortable and stylish as well. Instead of just wearing your pajamas the whole day, you can try out these options. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. And do check out my other videos also. I'll link it in the description box and also on the end screen. So till we meet next time, bye and take care.